Hey yo.
Yeah. Talk your shit, right? Talk your shit.
Hey, we got one.
What they gonna say now?
Hey, let's get to this motherfucking money, you dig?
It's all about the pickups and the drop offs.
Yeah.
We rock the real shit, you rockin' knockoffs.
Yo, YouTube, let me speak on this. Yeah, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS, back at it with another banger. Been gone for a minute, man. It's reconstruction, man. Doing some reconstruction in my little spot, man. We're gonna stay here a little bit longer than what I thought we would. So, went ahead and got started moving some things, changing some things. Yeah, it's coming. You definitely gonna see some new stuff that y'all ain't seen yet. And, you know, like you see, I'm in a new spot as far as visually that y'all ain't seen in my basement yet, which, trust me, it's a complete mess right now. I will whip out a basement tour, or, you know, man cave tour, or I have a couple more things I'm putting in place. Probably do that by Christmas. I had that fully completed. Want another shelf and some other little stuff that I'm gonna put down here. But yeah, y'all gonna see the new things that I have purchased and got. Y'all will see those in upcoming videos. We got a couple unboxings to get to. So, you know, I don't know. You might see, you know, I'm shooting a trifecta, so you might see this t-shirt in a couple videos. Shout out to my boy Drop over at Chunky Monkey Clothing. Check him out. Yeah, hey, very fly, man. Look, they catered. I had this for the reverse Ferrari 14s, man. So yeah, he made this custom just for me for the 14s. So you know, hey, I'm gonna try to get some links to him so that y'all can, if y'all wanna purchase something, y'all get some. He don't just do t-shirts, man. They do sweatsuits. They do women apparel. They do, you know, all that, man. So yeah, once again, man, shout out to Chunky Monkey, man. You feel me? Alright, definitely some fire. They got some fire. Good quality patches, tags, all that, man. So yeah, definitely shout out to them. But let's get to it, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's a big box. You don't see these often. This right here is a big, nice box. I want y'all to see my place of residence, man. Y'all want to pull up, man, because we do got the alphabet in here from A to R. You feel me? You feel me? And the number game from 4 to 0. So for those who know, they know. If you don't, you don't. Don't want to find out though. What we do. We know our ABCs and our 1, 2, 3s around here. You feel me? My knife is short. I don't know what happened right there though. You know, open. It's my first time seeing this shoe. And you know, well, person. And this packaging. Y'all gonna get to see it with me. Wait, they got something special right here. Okay. Let me make sure it's in its entirety. Sit that right there. Chuck throw the box right there. And nice paperwork. And we have a big ass box that say Earl on it, so some people know what that means. And this is a size 7 women's 8.5, which means that this is a personal pair. Yeah. Shout out to my boy, man. Hey fam. Measly. G, nigga. Way to welcome me back. Thank you. Thank you. But y'all see the box, man. Short tag, QR code separate. Yeah, we don't want to see a retail tag. Like, I don't need that. These whopping. It's a big number. You feel me? But guess what? Your boy. Not your boy. Not the respecter. Shout out to T-Boy, man. Yeah, not the respecter. I can't even say it, bro. Not the robster. The T-Wardster. That's funny. But nah, not me, bro. No retail game over here. You know, I'm blessed, man. I have people that want to see me win, man, for my city and sponsor and make sure that I get certain things for this channel, man. They support this channel, so I'm blessed. But as y'all see, serious, man, serious. We're gonna pull the it's got a skirt on it, no pun intended, but it actually has a outside skirt. So we're gonna pull this off. This comes off. Dope packaging so far. Very dope packaging. And then I was told to pull these tabs on the side out. Cause I'm gonna see it before y'all see it. And then we're gonna definitely pull the outside tabs out. Lift it up. Oh, this packaging A1. I ain't gonna take nothing off. I ain't gonna do nothing. The cable come wrapped around the shoe, first of all. Let me just say that. I ain't want to show y'all that because then I had to show y'all the shoe at the same time. And we don't want to do that. We want to get it all to y'all at once. I can't even hold both of these at the same time. The way they just going to splash y'all like this, bro. Because you know we got to give you that splash can. I got to give y'all that splash can. We just going to go. The BBs, multi-color BBs, baby. These right here is, ooh. These is fire! These is fire. And they got that Back to the Future theme on it, if you don't know. These are made after the flux capacitor, from all my Back to the Future heads, which has direct ties to this shoe because self-lacing system thing was about the Air Max that Marty McFly wore in Back to the Future 2, and then they did a model of this shoe that was based off the Air Max, and this is based off the flux capacitor, which is, you know, what makes them go back in time. So these are very special to me because I am a huge Back to the Future fan. But this shoe is crazy, and I'm definitely gonna try it on. Probably not in this video. I'm definitely gonna try it on because they do got the pad. Gotta have the app. Let's see if I can turn it on. I am excited. They're making noise. These are tough. Look at that. Look at the details, man. Nike on the inside. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get out of that 360. Let's get out of that look real quick. That multicolored check. Alright. Look at that. Look at the booty. These will get wore. These are going to get wore this year. This year. Yeah, these are not gonna be one that I sit on and just wait. I'm definitely gonna bust these out this year. Probably at a battle or something. Probably when I host a battle or something, he's definitely coming out. Some shit that niggas ain't gonna, people are not gonna see every day. You know, we definitely gonna bust these out. Got to. Like I said, maybe at a battle, maybe at a meet and greet or something. I'm busting these out. These have to be seen. My lord. Got that flavor. Should I just give y'all 2 for 1 on the upload today, or should I just do a separate video? I think I'm just do a separate video for the other pickup, because I mean everybody doesn't pick up on it. You probably already can guess what it is, but not many have done reviews on this, and I had to. So, especially in my size 7, I haven't seen any BBs in my size, and this is the first that I've seen, and this off fire. And yes, they did come with the back. They did come with, I don't want to take it out, with the charging pad, wireless charging pad for the shoes. Yeah, man, this is legit. Alright, here's the paper. Here's the paper. That's the paper. That's the shit paper. I ain't gonna put this back in the box because it doesn't make sense to it. I'm just gonna hold this up and tuck it away somewhere. I don't know where, but I am. I'm gonna figure out a way to display the shoes some real dope way. So, what else we got? It's Travis Scott week, baby. Travis Scott's Blazers come out tomorrow. Definitely trying to get both pair of those. I'm actually trying to get those and those LeBron Forces. But I'm really kind of like, I'm excited about the Forces, but those Blazers, I think I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try. It's a raffle, so we'll see how that goes. Travis's, man. We didn't get no big stupid release like I thought we would, saying that it was all sizes. They regulated it to special stores in Chicago, LA, and yeah, so in New York, so we're just gonna see what's cracking. We're just gonna see. Just gonna see what's up. Pray. Sneaker gods, please. My sneaker karma has been great. Shoe karma has been great. Please look out for your boy. Please. Whew. Alright. So, with that being said, I do got some new pickups y'all gonna see in the next coming videos. My real big video, my real big purchase. It wasn't really that big, but big. Y'all will see soon, because I'm gonna do a video on that, along with some things about it that I'm gonna do to it. So we're gonna definitely wrap, and you know, go over the Soul Premise. Go over that, cop your bags at Soul Premise. They have crossbody bags, book bags, duffel bags, hiking style bags. The Luciana leather bag is crazy. Toiletry bags, T-shirts, hats. They got merch over there too. Hope to one day do some merch with them. Hope one day. Probably gonna put it in the universe and in the stores. But yeah, head over there. If you do want something, you want to cop something, and you like something, use the boy, man. Me. Use my promo code, man. Respect for GS, man. Yeah, use my promo code, you know. And if you do, what do you get? 25% off and free shipping. Yeah. Don't tell them I told you that. Yeah, don't do that. Just do it. So yeah, man, and I do got the giveaway coming at 100 subs, man. We're pushing to 100 subs, and we're gonna try to get to this 500 subs and this 1,000. You know, we definitely trying to get to 1,000 subs, man, by December. That's my goal. 1,000 subs by December. It's almost looking impossible, but you know, whatever impossible can be possible. We know this, so let's make it happen. To all my respected gang, man, my respected nation, salute. Thank you for support. We rocking, we pushing, we trying to make this happen. Yeah, we really going. I got the giveaway item already. I'll tell y'all soon what it's gonna be. Well, I ain't gonna even tell y'all until we get to it. But it's dope. It's something that you know that we need. I'm trying to get a little more. Trying to incorporate a little more as well. But right now I got one item that's already been sponsored, so we're gonna use that until you know I can get something else. But yeah, man, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS, respect for G's, STL Heat, Bacardi Rob Bacardi, Rob Cairo. You never heard that name? I'm known by a bunch of names, but I'm also known for having fly kicks, man. Yeah, till next time. You know what I say, bro. The goal is to be clean, not mean. Stay fresh, not stressed. And be blessed. We not gonna edit it out. To be blessed, man. Until next time, we out.
Talk your shit. Yeah. Union ties, nigga. Hustle. Did the digit scale. Controlo. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try no.